Hello all, welcome to Code Career Hub where you learn code and success. In this video, I will share 5 powerful aptitude tricks that will help you solve questions faster and smarter. Let's get started. Our first trick is about ratios. Instead of converting fractions, just cross multiply. For example, if 2 by thirds equals x over 9, multiply 2 by 9 and 3 by x, you will quickly find that x equals 6. Next is percentage shortcut. Remember, x percent of y is the same as y percent of x. For example, 12% of 50 is same as 50% of 12. Both equal 6. This saves time in exams. Third trick, averages. The formula is simple. Total divided by number of items. For example, marks of 10, 20 and 30 added up to 60. Divided by 3 and the average is 20. Fourth trick, speed and distance. Speed equals distance divided by time. If the distance is 120 kilometers and the time is 2 hours, the speed is 60 kilometers per hour, quick and easy. Finally, the elimination method use answer options to save time. For example, which number is divisible by 9? Options are 234, 245 and 252. Add digits of 252. 2 plus 5 plus 2 equals 9. So that's the correct answer. These 5 tricks are simple but powerful. Practice them daily to improve your speed and accuracy. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Code Career Hub and share this video with your friends preparing for examples. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.